Hey guys, it's Lightning Bolt 99999, and as many of you know, 10 years ago in 2010, I purchased my first ever weather radio, my Midland WR-100. And unfortunately, around 2015, that radio saw the end of its life. It was in really bad shape. It was barely working, and when I could get it to actually operate, it wasn't getting any reception on it. It just wasn't picking anything up. So I decided to, 10 years later, get a new WR-100. So we are going to unbox this little son of a gun and set it up, just like I did 10 years ago. If I can be bothered to set the phone up right so I can do that. And clearly 10 years later, still have no clue what I'm doing. So this is packaged a rather interesting way, but ooh, it's in its original clamshell packaging in here. Put that down there. Get this shit out of the way. And unwrap this with one hand as best as I can. I decided to film with my phone and not my camera on a tripod. Wow. That's an old one. That's a WR-100C. Look at this thing. Alrighty. Funny thing, I'm actually leaving in like 20 minutes to go storm spotting. So, this literally came with perfect timing. Anyway, there it is. It is awesome. Wanting another one of these for quite some time now. So now, I'm going to... Yeah, that's probably a horrible idea. Going to begin the long process of opening this up. Jesus. Alright, so we got power adapter. Ah, this is so cool. I love this old packaging on this. Yeah, it's copyright, but it doesn't have a date on it. See if I can find the date somewhere. As I'm dropping everything all over the place. Wow. And that's how you can tell this is really old, because you don't see the WR-300 there with the weather radios. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to find a, what's it called? I don't think I'm going to find a copyright anytime soon. During a weekly or monthly test, the radio will not sound a siren. It will only display a test message and light the yellow LED. Huh. Spanish directions. This has got to be really old. Anyway. there it is. A brand new, well, sort of brand new, sort of really damn old WR-100. I am going to, yeah, just like I did 10 years ago, doing all my unboxings. Not make any cuts out of this video. This is a full unedited unboxing. Classic early 2010s lightning bolt style. Patient with me here. I know I'm taking my sweet time with this. I gotta unplug something here. Alright. Now, there's that up and going. Going to, yep, DC jack is that furthest one on the left. Well, if you're looking at it from that way. Version 5. Okay. Now, this old antenna here. God, this is bringing back so much nostalgia. First weather radio I ever had 10 years ago. This is where it all began. Alright, so brought up the antenna. Gonna set the time. Jesus, I forgot how loud that was. You turn it off to set that stuff up. Ah, yes, you can. Okay. So the time, it is 2:52 p.m. Can you change it between AM and PM? No, you can't. So it's gotta be done this way. Oh, but you can change it one digit at a time, but you can't change it between AM and PM. 2:52 p.m., not 2:53. Time. Alarm. No, I'm not gonna do that. Channel, we'll get to that. Same set, obviously I'm going to have it set to all counties. I'm going to be driving all over the place today and eventually have this thing set up here. Alert type. Tone, obviously that is very obnoxious. I don't want that setting. Display, no. Voice, that's the one we want. It displays the radio's, or it plays the radio's alarm tone and then automatically goes to the voice message when there is an incoming alert. Alert test, we're not going to do that. We all know how loud that is. The light, just for the sake of everything I'm doing today, I'm going to leave the light. Well, you know what? No. Maybe at nighttime, but now I'm going to leave that normal. Time. Oh, so we've scrolled around back to the whole thing. So now, God Lord, that is loud. Channel. Now we're gonna, that's way too loud. It's weird it defaults to channel 4.
Tonight, windy. Mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Chance of showers after midnight.
There we go.
40s. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour.
And pretty much, yeah, even for those of you who don't know how weather radios work, when it's off like this, if an alert in comes, it's monitoring that broadcast at all times, even when the radio is off like this. And yeah, well, I guess we'll try this. And then when picks up an alert incoming on the broadcast, you will hear this. And then you will scream because that's really fucking loud. And yeah, that is the setup of the Midland WR-100. 10 years in the making, me getting another one of these. Thanks for watching.